Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum, dear student. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about mathematics SSC-II. Now start the today lesson. New syllabus PTB book foundation mathematics SSC-II unit number 1. In unit number 1, quadratic equation. According to SLO base or FBISE requirement, exercise 1.1, question number 2, part 4 to 6 in part 2. Now, in previous part 1, we will discuss question number 2, part 1 to 3. In this part, we will discuss part 4 to 6. Let's start the today lesson. Question number 2 in 4 parts solved by factorization method. Now we can solve the factorization method 4 part x square minus 11x is equal to 152. First of all, arrange the term. Now x square minus 11x minus 152 is equal to 0. Here minus 152 multiplied by 1, answer is minus 152. Now midterm breaking of minus 11 into 2 parts. Answer of multiplication is minus 152 and addition answer is minus 11. So two parts are minus 19x plus 8x. Minus 19 plus 8, answer will be minus 11x. And minus 19 multiplied by 8 is minus 152. So after the factorization of term x square minus 9x plus 8x minus 152 is equal to 0. Now taking common in first two term x, so remaining x into minus 19. Sign is plus, so plus, and here 8 and 152 is the factor of 8. So taking common is 8, then x minus 19 is remaining term. So here we can see that x minus 19 and x minus 19 is common in both terms. Then x minus 19 into x plus 8 is equal to 0. Either x minus 19 is equal to 0 or x plus 8 is equal to 0. Here minus 19 is move on other side, it will be positive, and similarly plus 8 move on other side, it will be negative. So x is equal to 19 and x is equal to minus 8. Then x is equal to 19 or minus 8 are the roots of given equation. So the solution set of given equation is minus 8 or 19. Now let's start the next part in question number 2 part 5. Solve by factorization method. Then given equation is x upon x plus 1 plus x plus 1 upon x is equal to 25 upon 12 in the fraction form. Now first of all change into a quadratic equation. Then taking LCM of this term, so 12x into x plus 1 is the LCM of given term. Now multiplying both sides by 12 into x plus 1. Then we get the equation, so 12x into x plus 1 into x upon x plus 1 plus x plus 1 upon x on 2 is equal to 12x into x plus 1 on 2 multiply by 25 upon 12. Here x plus 1 cancel out by x plus 1, so 12x multiply by x plus x cancel out by x, then 12 into x plus 1 multiply by x plus 1. So we have 12x into x plus 1 x plus 12 into x plus 1 multiply by x plus 1 is equal to 12 cancel out by 12, then 25x into x plus 1 onto. Now multiplying these values, we get 12x square plus 12 into x multiplied by x square plus x multiplied by 1, x plus 1 multiplied by x plus plus 1 multiplied by 1, 1 onto is equal to 25x square plus 25x. Now opening the brackets and arrange the values. So 12x square plus 12x square x plus x 2x, 2 multiplied by 12 24. So 24x plus 12 is equal to 25x square plus 25x. Now arrange the values. These values move on other side, sign will be changed. So we write that 24x plus 24x square plus 24x plus 12 is equal to 25x square plus 25. Then arrange the values, we get equal to 0, 25x square plus 25x minus 24x square minus 24x minus 12. These complete values move on other side, so sign will be changed. Here 25x square minus 24x square, answer will be x square, and 25x minus 24x, answer will be plus x. Minus 12 is the same minus 12. So x square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now this is equation in the form of quadratic equation. Now we can solve by factorization method. So we have midterm breaking. Minus 12 multiplied by 1, answer is minus 12. Here we can midterm breaking of 1 into 2 parts. Multiply answer is minus 12 and addition answer is 1. So take the 2 part 4 plus 4x and minus 3x. Then we have continue question number 2 part 5th. We get x square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we solve by factorization method. Then getting the values, x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. Taking common x in first two term, then x into x plus 4. Here minus sign, then minus 3 and minus 12 is a multiple of 3. So taking 3 is a common, then x minus minus plus 3 for the 12 is equal to 0. We can see that x plus 4 and x plus 4 is common in both terms, then x plus 4 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. Either x plus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 4 is equal to 0. 3 is move on other side, it will be positive, and plus 4 or move on other side, it will be negative. So x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 4. Then the root of given equation is we get x is equal to 3 or minus 4 or the root of given equation. So the solution set of given equation is minus 4 or 3. Now we will start the last part of today's lesson, question number 2 part 6, solve by factorization method. Here we can see that also equation in the fraction form. So first of all, taking the LCM and multiplying both sides. x minus 9 into x minus 3 into x minus 4 is the LCM of given term. Then we get the equation by multiplying on both sides by x minus 9 into x minus 3 into x minus 4. We have solving this equation, so we get x minus 9 into x minus 3 into x minus 4 into 2 upon x minus 9 is equal to 1 upon x minus 3 minus 1 upon x minus 4 on 2. Multiplying these values and getting the equation, we have 2 into x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to minus 1 into x minus 9. This answer is after getting the solving these equations. Now we have rearranged the value and get the final equation. 2x square minus 14x plus 24 plus x minus 9 is equal to 0. This implies that 2x square minus 13x plus 15 is equal to 0. So this equation is in the form of second degree equation or quadratic equation. Now required solution by solving the factorization method. So we get 15 multiplied by 2. Answer will be 30. So we will midterm breaking of 13 into 2 parts. Multiply answer is 30 and addition answer is minus 13. So we get minus 15 plus 2. Minus 15 plus 2 answer will be minus 30. And multiplication answer of minus 15 plus 2 is 13. So we get and solve the equation by the other method. We have minus 10 and 3. 10 threes are 30. Minus 10 and minus 3 answer will be 13. Because here positive value and minus 15 multiplied by 2 answer is minus 30. So these are not factor. Here we can get the two factor is minus 10 and minus 3. So 10 multiplied by 3 30 and addition answer also 30. Taking 2x is common in first two term, this implies that 2x into x plus x minus 5. Similarly, minus 3 is common in next two term, then answer will be x minus 5. X minus 5 and x minus 5 taking common in both terms, then we have 2x minus 3 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. This implies that either 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 5 is equal to 0. We have x is equal to 3 upon 2 or x is equal to 5. X is equal to 3 upon 2 comma 5 or the root of given equation. Then we can say that the solution set of the required equation is 5 or 3 upon 2. So more videos, subscribe our channel. Best of luck. Allah.